Hey guys, this is Derek Turcotte out of Electric Grizzly Tattoo in Canmore, Alberta, Canada. Just got a little video clip today on Cheyenne tattoo equipment. We're going to be going over what I personally use, the Cheyenne Spirit, and also going over some of the needle configurations and setups and what I use them for. Thanks a lot. So today we'll just be using the safety cartridges for mags, using a 23 and a 15, and then just a 7-round shader to get in some tight spaces. I'm not doing any lines today, just some layering on an existing torso piece. So usually just like to build up saturation and colors with mags and round shaders. So yeah, that's what we're doing today. On this setup, I'm using the Cheyenne Spirit, and we've got a 15 mag safety cartridge, and right now I'm just using that to build some layers. Just building up some green saturation. This whole piece has already basically been tattooed. Today's just the last couple hours just to build up a final saturation on a few spots, put in some highlights and blends. I like the Spirit a lot for layering, building up layers. I find it's really close to airbrush painting, which a lot of my wreaths are in. So as soon as I started using Cheyenne, I found it just brought tattooing and airbrushing close together in a lot of ways. Switch over to 7-round shader here just for a couple tight spots. I like round shaders for packing basically any little tight spaces where a mag might be not have enough control for, or where I can get some tighter textures. Use a lot of 7-round shaders, and I also like the 15s. And as far as mags go, the 23 mags as well. This is Derek Turcotte with Cheyenne. Thanks for checking out the video. You can also check out the new machine, the Cheyenne Soul Nova. Also the Cheyenne YouTube channel. You can subscribe to that, as well as check out CheyenneTattoo.com and the artist profile on there. I'm on there, and lots of other amazing artists. Thanks a lot.